no chance.
Hey guys, so we're here at the Police Academy for the Lone Star Drift event, and this is also, I mean, obviously everything in Texas, all their tracks, it's my first time, so really excited, also nervous because it looks harder, but car's been running great. Thank you to Garage Life for making it all good. And I'm gonna go for ride-alongs first to kind of gauge out the track and then take it out. So let's go.
So it's going to be a third gear entry. I usually do a clutch kick. You can do a handbrake, either one. Depends on how fast you're going. So you come in pretty much third gear, keep it floored all the way through. You do a little manji right here. Watch these guys. You do a manji right here. Keep it in the same gear, and then when you're doing this transition, that's where you down to. The rest of it is second gear. You could upshift to third gear, like where the 350Z is just coming out. Just get a little bit more wheel speed, because that part is really tricky. I'll show you when we get out there, because it's narrow and it's a little long, so you need to carry low angle, and you'll probably have to drag the e-brake a bit too.
I heard the dirt drop is kind of gnarly here.
It is, because it can drop down. Especially we had a lot of rain yesterday, so it was a little muddy. So it's gonna dig in. So, you feel better about it?
Yeah.
A little bit more?
Yeah.
Just gonna have to drive it, that's all it is.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
So now that I'm more comfortable with the track, I'm gonna go take some few friends out for a ride along and have more fun for the rest of the day. Oh my god, I'm popping your drip cherry! So fun! It's good memory. Yeah, I taking your first time drifting. Yes.
Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man. Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man.
And had some spicy Popeyes, but before that we're running into like a little problems with the tire pressure and stuff, but kind of retuned it. DK's in there to go test it out, make sure everything's okay, and we're going back out. So super fun day today, but due to Mercury retrograde, something did break. Actually, my fault. You remember when I broke the diff last time? So the PPF broke, and yeah, so that was all the noise. You might see in the videos, I don't know, but it's pretty loud. That noise! But I hope we get it fixed for tonight, because tomorrow is Speed Sports Day. Yeah, Speed Sports Day. So we need this fixed. But overall, this was a super fun track. I practiced my entries over there, and I think I did pretty well while it lasted. So yeah, can't wait for it to be fixed and can't wait for it tomorrow.
guess we're just fucking wild and young.